And he works at FedEx and he's a supervisor.
I don't think the front office is open.
All right, well, he about to pull up. Y'all can just sit here and wait. Y'all just sit here and y'all wait. You put the extra sauce on it, Sergeant. Put the extra sauce on it.
It was like, oh wow, I'm like destroyed.
Yeah, he just pulled up. Yeah.
This neighborhood barbecue turned into a heated confrontation when officers arrived after a suspicious person call. The family says they were just returning from the store when police came onto the property, opened the door without permission, and accused them of being burglars. Emotions ran high as they demanded answers, pointing out racial profiling and the danger such actions can create. The situation became a tense standoff, with everyone insisting on respect and accountability.
They just came over here. They were on the side of that garage the whole time. They couldn't have. No, because we're not supposed.
What's going on? What's your name?
Moses.
Badge number? You the sergeant?
1698.
Okay. Okay. So I'm at my nephew's house. We coming over for a barbecue. I just sent my nephew to go to get the food. We just so happen to come out and we walk to the store. We come back over here. We see him right there and him right here. They come back walking through. But you know, I just think nothing like the police is walking by the front. They both just came over here into, you know, this property or whatever.
Because I can't hear everybody.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah, we robbing somebody.
I got all kinds of kids talking to me.
Yeah, I got 6 kids myself. I got 6 kids myself. So yeah, and I feel like it was kind of like it was some racial profiling because this dude just came over here and followed through them black people going up in his crib, and I don't know if he think that black people not supposed to be living around here. And he talking about we burglars.
I'll tell you why we're here. Why they came out in the first place.
Okay.
We got a call that someone across the street that saw y'all standing outside and didn't think you lived here.
Okay.
That wasn't how. Listen.
So can I ask you a question? Do you know that's racial profiling from them? They can't say we can't afford to live here. Why do they think we live here? So that was wrong for you guys to investigate a call like that and then grab a door and try to walk
We
in.
investigate every now and then.
So he tried to
Yeah,
walk
but now
in.
I got to look
He
like
didn't knock on the
burglars. It
door
got to
and
look
say,
like
"We
wow.
live
There's
here."
already black people. There ain't that many black people live around here. Where black people sit over. Now when everybody's looking out the windows, everybody riding past looking like we're not supposed to be here. My nephew is a manager at FedEx. He really lives here in real life. He has a lease and everything.
So then you guys broke the law tonight. This is how people die. He was gonna walk.
Because he just opened that door like he was about to come in, bro.
He opened the door. What if I thought he was a burglar?
And start shooting or something. Come on,
What
man.
you guys did was very wrong and it was rude. And I want you to acknowledge when you guys walk off tonight, what happened tonight was so uncalled for.
Because it was.
These 4 black
He could have
guys
knocked on the
left
door. He could have knocked on the door and I would have came out here like, what's up?
We live here, gave him ID. He tried to open the door up, and then when
Like he was
came out,
coming
said,
in.
Why'd you do that? We got to call his burglars coming in. The whole thing was rude and totally broke
And
our
his-
soul.
I agree.
So now every building don't want us here.
Yeah,
And
they
all
looking at
these
us well.
stores
Look at these
thinking that there
people.
was a problem.
Look at the good Americans over there sitting there and they looking over here like
No
we
problem.
foul.
Now we having a
We
barbecue
just went over there
upstairs,
yesterday
man.
and spent $200. We went over there and sat and we ate up in that
So-
gecko. We spent $200
So
yesterday.
we want you guys to know tomorrow we will file complaints. And we will put up freedom of information to see who called on us, and we'll get lawyers.
And I
off the
hope, because
bat.
he said that somebody was always on the phone with the caller. Who is calling 911 and is going straight to his cell phone?
He called the caller back. They leave the cell phone.
But the
Okay.
whole law was
Well, I just
broken.
hope that that's
He
all
didn't
going to be
knock on the
real.
door
I hope
and
that's
then
all
say,
going to
"I'm
be
a
real when we go down there and file
policeman,
for
and
the
here's the
paperwork and they
situation."
going to say that that
He was
happened.
not supposed to treat us how he did. And when we came out, his response was not
And he
supposed
real
to be,
rude.
We have
He's
a
a
call
rude
of
dude right
burglars.
here.
We're 4 black guys
I'm
out
a
here who
citizen,
live
bro.
here. It was all offensive.
I got a
And
CDL.
right
You know how
now,
much taxes
feel
I
bad
pay
'cause
in
we're at
real
his-
life?
I feel bad because we're at his nephew's house barbecuing.
Yeah. There's
So
nothing. We're not criminals.
for no reason for being
We are all
black.
professionals who get money and we
Yes,
just have
he is
happen
a
to be
truck
black.
driver. So all you guys did, you guys just made us feel like black guys and niggas.
And
for
especially
nothing.
him right there.
You didn't,
One,
sir.
we didn't do that. We got a call for service.
I'm telling you how we feel there.
So that call.
How
Let me ask this question.
That's the reason we came.
So that call made him come. He could come just open the door, or do we got to knock?
Say that. Was anybody out there? What the call was people that thought that y'all were in an unoccupied apartment.
So he
Okay.
said knock on the door
Okay.
and let us answer it.
And then like real humans in America.
We could have approached it a different way. Yes.
Yes,
So
100%. I'm thank you
that's
for
all
saying
we
that.
need to know,
I'm thank you
okay?
for saying
So
that
you
too.
guys, we live here.
Yeah.
These are his uncle, this is his brother house. And we went to get some barbecue so we could cook.
And he just went to
And
Walmart
he's
to go
trying to
get
let
it.
us live
We're about to go
locally
upstairs
one
on the
night.
goddamn
We're
pool.
off on the trenches.
If y'all want to come to the pool, that's where we're gonna be at. We're gonna be barbecuing.
I'm just talking to him.
So do we? Okay.
Yeah, it's solidified. We're gonna come down here in the morning. We're gonna go to the police station in the morning, and I want to get a whole what's name.
I don't know what you can do about the complainant because you can't do a lot about that person.
I can't.
Okay. I just want to do. I just want to personally. I just want to do something by him open that door because he was not supposed to do
About
that.
his comments and how
And then
he
when I
treats
came
us.
out and then he was so rude, like we was robbing the place, like we sticking up, bro. We live here.
And he
We
called
got
us
all
burglars.
videos.
My nephew really lives here in real
We
life.
got a call of the character. We have a call of burglars.
We coming in, we robbing something.
So it was just.
But it'll be investigated, like I said already. It's all on video, so it'll be investigated.
Yeah.
As soon as you do
Okay.
complaints.
All
We'll
right.
go right down and
That's what we're gonna do. Okay. If y'all ride by, if y'all get another call, we live here, so you ain't gotta worry about it. We're us living here, like we just sitting over here in
This
front
is
of
going to
somebody
get
else.
weird, but did we verify that y'all were supposed to be here?
Let's verify.
Oh, I will get on my phone with my nephew. His name is
on his way
Jermaine
back.
Clark. Matter of fact, go to the front office and then see if Jermaine Clark lives
do your
here.
job.
His
Do
name
your
Jermaine
job.
Clark.
You know what I'm saying? Like I just need to verify.
Okay, his name is Jermaine Clark. Go walk around the corner into the front office and they're gonna say that Jermaine Clark lives in the apartment and he works at FedEx and he's a supervisor.
I don't think the front office is open.
All right, well, he about to pull up. Y'all can just sit here and wait. Y'all just sit here and y'all wait. You put the extra sauce on it, Sergeant. Put the extra sauce on it.
This is like, oh wow, I'm like destroyed.
Yeah, he just pulled up. Yeah, it was just unprofessional. That's all I'm saying. And then they got me out here looking wild.
Look how we looking, man.
Bro, I go to work
Look how we looking down
70
down
hours a week, live on concrete. And I'm out here looking like a burglar. Like I'm out here robbing something because I'm black and I just walked to the gas station over here and we came back across the street.
I understand.
They're not never doing that. That ain't gonna work.
And so you guys trust us all for no reason.
And y'all ain't even saying sorry. He ain't even say like my bad about that, bro. He ain't even saying my bad. He's sitting over here and then him. Cause y'all both is some, y'all two is rude. Now Austin just pulled up, but he got this car out here with the lights on and making us look like criminals.
That's fine. But
I'm saying it's an empty spot right there. He could have pulled up right there and parked that car.
It's four of us.
It's an empty spot right there. You ain't gotta have that in the middle of the street like we
bad
criminals.
right now. You guys know we do. You guys know we look really
Look, there's another one right here. He look like he ready to pull up. Come on, call him. Y'all need no backup. We're not criminals, bro.
But we look really
Yeah,
bad
okay,
right
well, I'm
now.
just saying. I see that another car coming. I don't want. Please, don't y'all not do all that.
He's gonna check and make sure we're supposed to be here.
You're gonna check to make sure we're supposed to be here,
And then we're okay with it.
and then you're okay with it, and you're gonna go.
Did Make say he on his way?
So ain't nothing
Stay out
else
here. Just stay out here.
gonna happen.
Just stay out here.
We're going to investigate it. Y'all say you're going to do complaints.
Yeah, okay.
And then we
We don't
investigate
place
it.
no warrant.
I'm just making sure, okay.
So we'll be
We
there
need
in
to
the
take that
morning.
stuff seriously.
Yeah, because that's look. He pulled up. I told you he was pulling up. Could you get on your thing and tell him don't pull up over here because it's making us even look wilder. It's making us look wilder now. But we live here for real. My nephew really live here.
Here go the owner of the apartment right here.
He right here. That's Jermaine Clark right there.
You guys, I mean,
Boom.
we feel we're agitated because we're sad right now.
Okay, but then write this in your thing and don't do that. Please don't do that no more, man. Because that was some. I really feel violated now. Please don't do this no more.
Like, no, we're not going to do that. Not like that.
Don't come over here because don't let nobody call and be like, hey, they don't live there. Because we the only black people live around here.
Okay.
So let's
Well,
speak to the owner.
Wait, stop.
Can you speak to the owner?
The owner right here.
Austin, go ahead and talk to him.
Tell him what you guys what happened. Austin wasn't here.
Well, I know, but it was just
Yeah, let him talk to him because Hernandez was the one that was really. Oh, he was.
all we need to do is verify that he lives here and then we're going to
But why you look like he got an attitude problem though?
Yeah, because he know he messed up.
Not him.
Listen, y'all didn't even say
you-
sorry,
but
bro.
you was
Y'all didn't even
sergeant,
tell
though.
bro, man, sorry. Like, hey, don't go put that
Why you
complaint in,
look like you got
man.
an
My
attitude
bad, bro.
problem?
Yeah, just like my bad, bro. Don't go put that complaint in, bro. My bad.
You're not
Goddamn,
going
y'all
out.
not even saying that.
You're not going out there.
It don't matter.
They already did it.
You want to see his key?
Yeah, they already did it.
You want to see us listening to the elevator?
Yeah.
It would be so
And you need to
sad
tell him
as a
that.
sergeant now. He's showing you the key to his
Just please
apartment.
leave us alone.
And
That's
you
all I'm
see-
asking.
And you see his FedEx cord. And you see his FedEx chain.
Like I told you, listen.
So
reason
investigate
we
it,
got
sir.
called-
But don't break more of our rights.
No,
Do
all
not
we need to do is
the door though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, we're going to go
He
down.
said he's sorry.
No, ain't nothing else to talk about with them.
Go over what time you came and these two dudes.
Ain't nothing to talk about with them. No. For all I care, we all can go in. We all can go in the house right now. For all I care, we all can go in the house right now. They said they don't care. Chubby, it's waste of time. For all I care, we all can go in the house right now. Let them do their own little investigation by themselves. You know what I'm saying? By
A
themselves.
person across the street. We have to investigate every now and then. Call.
Anybody across the
They called yesterday because
There are certain ways you guys are supposed to investigate it.
It's certain
And they were
steps.
broken tonight, and you know that, Sergeant.
I agree
So,
that there are ways to approach that.
and they didn't do it right. So let's just leave it at that.
No. Ain't no walking off with them.
Go over with the camera then.
Yeah, just
And
go over
no
there,
walking
just
off.
relax. Just let them talk.
Make sure you get in on what he said for real.
But they didn't do the right job. They didn't do the right job.
Hold up.
sir.
I told you to start off bad.
I feel violated. People walking by now.
I
Look at
completely
this,
agree
man.
and start off bad.
Look at this.
I mean, look how they looking at us.
We still got to investigate it because the four of you don't live here, so we need someone that lives
But how do y'all don't know if we don't live here?
Because y'all told us we didn't. You said you're
But
busy.
how do y'all know that? Because we told y'all. Y'all
Right now.
already pulled the door open.
I know.
But if you didn't know that,
right
you're
now.
supposed to do it.
Yeah, knock on the door. I mean, at least knock on the door.
Okay,
I've
we're
already
past
agreed.
that.
I've already agreed.
I-
And he agreed to it. So
That's
we
why
know
we're
that we
saying
got
okay.
violated
That's
because he
why we're
agreed to
still
it.
here.
I got you.
I agreed that we could have approached it a different way. yes.
And he agreed to
But
it that
we're
happened.
Look, they've been down. The charger came right, man. So leave it alone.
As soon as we establish that, we're going to get out of here, all right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And you over there, it's cool. Y'all can go ahead and leave now.
They searched the balcony, and then they pulled the door open.
Yes, and I'm going to follow.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, somebody called, but then we put the door open. We came outside. Somebody was doing that. The dude said that we are criminals.
And I feel violated.
Because they got a phone call. They said we don't know if you live here. You don't supposed to know if we live here or not. Because you don't live here. We don't know y'all.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You don't supposed to know
What if
that.
somebody knocked on your door and told you that, bro? You think about it as a grown man. The police came to your door.
No, we got it. We got it all recorded.
You gotta go in there and
We
get
got everything recorded.
And what is wrong with y'all? Don't do that to people because we black and we live downtown
We
Plano.
have to investigate everything. Let's say this is a perfect example. You live somewhere. Person across the street says, "I don't think that person that's there lives there." You're not there.
No.
Listen. Can you just
No,
let
you
me
knock.
finish?
that part is
You
real.
knock on the door.
You know what
No,
I'm saying?
you knock on the door.
You want your neighbor.
You knock on the
I told you
door.
we can approach it differently.
That's cool.
The
You know
police.
what I'm
Could have just came
You
knocked on the
want
door and
police
be like, "Hey, do y'all live here?"
It's not even no numbers on here.
All right, yeah. Huh?
They just said right across the street.
He in the crib. They said they want to see a piece of mail with his name on it to prove that he lived here. Why? Right now, y'all over here harassing us. We're getting harassed. They gonna call on every black person that they see.
Right now is a wrap.
Yes, it
Because I'm
is.
still not leaving and my nephew's coming.
All we need to do is prove it.
Okay.
That's all.
What if you can't prove it? What y'all about to take us all to jail?
He's gotta have an ID.
No,
Some
no.
kind of
That means that y'all
bill,
gotta do y'all job.
something. That's what we're doing.
Y'all gotta do y'all job. Y'all gotta go around and talk to them people. We don't have to explain nothing.
By the end of the encounter, the officers confirmed the family actually lived there. The residents, still upset, said they would file a complaint and post the video online to seek justice. They made it clear they felt violated and wanted this incident to be taken seriously. The police eventually left, leaving the family determined to make sure this never happens again. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.